9 classic PC games to play on your Android device. A lot of mobile games are frustrating fluff. Catapulting birds at pigs can be fun. But even the best mobile games are often forgettable. What you need are PC games on Android. PC games can rock you to your core, pull you into the narrative, and stay with you after you finish playing. So we've compiled a list of classic PC games to play on your Android device. One of the most successful game series of all time has several versions available on Android. You can choose from Grand Theft Auto 3, GTA Vice City, and GTA San Andreas. Each delivers considerably different experiences across 3 crime-centric worlds. Gameplay on Android barely differs from the PC game, with touchscreen controls only proving an occasional problem. With so many options for Bluetooth and USB controllers on Android, this shouldn't matter. All 3 Grand Theft Auto games for Android will set you back around $17. Of course, there's no need to buy all 3 at once. XCOM Enemy Within is a real-time strategy RTS game where you control a combat team charged with saving Earth from aliens. Rather than hunt aliens, see predecessor XCOM Enemy Unknown. In XCOM Enemy Within, your team has a wider remit. This time, the aim is to trace and destroy the alien invaders, while dealing with Exalt, a rogue transhumans faction. This is a great expansion, sequel to the previous title. One that takes the storyline in a memorable, cinematic direction. Once you've completed XCOM Enemy Within, why not try the sequel? XCOM 2 is available on multiple platforms, and is one of the best PC games on Linux. If you've been holding on to Windows simply to play your favorite games, let go. Installing SteamOS is now a viable option, and the following collection of titles illustrate just what the situation is in 2016. Like GTA, Carmageddon features a lot of RTAs. However, Carmageddon offers a far darker, less realistic driving experience than GTA. It's still a great PC game to find on Android. However, and as it's free, you should totally check it out. While tasteless, Carmageddon was a hugely popular game in its day, no doubt due to it being banned in many countries. And it's now enjoying popularity again on Android. In short, you get points for hitting other road users, whether they're vehicles or pedestrians. In Carmageddon, you literally have no choice but to play dirty. The race-style scenarios mean that if you don't, the AI opponent will, with your car usually destroyed as a result. The oldest PC game for Android in this list. The original Dragon's Lair hit Laserdisc-powered arcade machines all the way back in 1983. Despite the impressive-looking animation courtesy of the Land Before Time's Don Bluth, gameplay was limited to a few repeated steps. Your aim is to guide the hero, Dirk the Daring, around various challenges. Quick-time events resulted in a changing control system that was contextual to the challenge, with the character moving automatically through other stages and proto-cutscenes. Dragon's Lair spawned sequels and other games built with the same technology, e.g. Space Ace, all of which have also been released on Android. The strange house of PC point-and-click adventure gaming is back. Upscaled to high-definition video and compatible with your device's touchscreen. This often disturbing game gives you a simple challenge. Unusually, the seventh guest takes advantage of full-motion video, a technique largely ignored by games in the interim. A memorable gaming experience with over 2 hours of engaging, immersive gameplay. The seventh guest is not a bad deal for the price. Mobile versions of the Doom and Doom 2 shooters are also available on Android. 2 of the most hellish, creepy, and physically exciting first-person shooters FPS ever. Doom and Doom 2 play surprisingly well on mobile. We really can't tell you anything about the Doom series that you haven't heard before. So the best thing you can do is watch the video and then give Google Play your money. Note that in addition to the official Doom releases, several open source ports have been released on Android. Of these, free Doom is the best option. Baldur's Gate is another classic point-and-click PC title that has been revived for Android. The game features a variety of memorable characters and a striking storyline that continues to excite gamers decades after its initial release. Baldur's Gate is typical fantasy fare, with strong characterization, voice work, and storyline. Throw in some slick gameplay and you have a game you're likely to repeatedly return to. Expansion packs and premium content are also available to purchase. While Baldur's Gate 2 is also available for Android. Max Payne is a fugitive cop, framed for murder, who must clear his name and uncover the truth. Who killed his family? And why did they pin it on Payne? With a dark story to play through, Max Payne Mobile is the original PC game on Android. Look out for slow-motion bullet time gameplay. The first time this technique was used in video games. To close this list, we've chosen arguably the best Star Wars game ever, certainly pre-Disney. Knights of the Old Republic takes place 4,000 years before the events of what we now call the Skywalker saga. Yet it remains recognizably Star Wars. As an RPG, this game gives you various character classes and paths through the story. Missions and combat differ in difficulty based on your character as you build a team to fight the Sith Armada. First released in 2004, Knights of the Old Republic, aka KOTOR, has certainly stood the test of time. Featuring a superb storyline and some of the best cutscenes of the era. You'll enjoy every second of this. All of these classic PC games on Android can be found on Google Play. However, you'll also find some in other locations. For example, many of the Android APK files for these games are also available on Amazon's App Store for Android devices. Are you drooling over PC games that haven't yet been released on Android? Then read our tutorial explaining how to play PC games on Android using Parsec. Here's a short list of PC games you can continue playing on mobile, giving you the best of both worlds. Text source, makeuseof.com.